Last Sunday, December 1, 2024, despite the heavy rain, we witnessed again a battle of brains and determination of the JLPT examiners hosted at Dilasal. From the countdown to the final tick of the clock, it was a test of skill, focus, and passion. From intense exam moments to behind-the-scenes interviews, this event was full of energy, dedication, and triumph.
My name is Natasha po pala, ma'am, from JK Network Services po. So, ma'am, I would like to ask lang po kung anong JLPT po yung iti-take nyo right now.
JLPT Info po.
N4, I understand po. So, after nun, ma'am, ano po yung balak nyong, ano po ba kayo sa Philippines, magtrabaho or sa Japan po?
Sa Japan po.
Sa Japan, I understand. So, may I ask po, ma'am, kung paano kayo natutong mag-learn ng Japanese?
Nag-school po ako sa OPA.
Sa?
OPA po.
Sa OPA? Saan po yun, ma'am?
Sa Quezon po.
Nag-school kayo. So, ilang years kayo nag-school or months po?
4 months po.
I understand po. So, ano po, ma'am? Why did you choose Japanese po instead na other language po? Kasi marami naman tayong language, Spanish, Korean. Why did you choose Japanese po?
Para kasi ako na sa Japan. May mga pinsan din po ako dun sa Japan. Kaya sila din nag-encourage sa akin para mag-aral.
So that's why po you're planning to take ng JLPT para magpa-Japan po. I understand po, ma'am. So ano po yung alam niyo po ba or may idea po kayo kung magkano po yung salary ng Japanese speaker sa Philippines? I understand.
Pero parang mas malaki din kaysa dito sa Philippines.
I understand po. Sige po, ma'am. Thank you so much po. Yun lang naman po yung questions ko. Thank you po.
So ayun sir, good morning po ulit. I am Megumi from JK Network Services. So ano po pangalan natin sir?
Jonathan,
Sir Jonathan, ano po ang JLPT level yung iti-take nyo ngayon?
N4.
Wow, I'm so. So, ano po yung reason nyo bakit kayo nag-take ng JLPT?
Para makapagtrabaho sa Japan o makapag-apply ng trabaho.
So open ka po to work in Japan and also here in the Philippines po?
Yes po.
Okay po. So, gaano po kayo katagal nag-prepare sa JLPT?
Kasi hindi ko masasabi kasi habang nagtatrabaho ako, pag may free time lang ako, doon lang ako nakakapag self-study lang ba?
Self-study ka lang po, sir. Understand po. So bakit sir napili na Japanese yung pag-aralan nyo na language? Madami naman po tayong mga foreign language like Korean, Spanish.
Actually, galing na ako sa Japan. Nagustuhan ko ang ano ng Japan para sa akin. Kaysa sa ibang bansa.
Understand po. So, sir, may idea ka ba kung magkano yung na-earn ng mga Japanese bilingual dito sa Philippines?
Ngayon po, hindi ko alam eh. Wala akong idea eh.
Understand. Sir, to let you know, yung salary range ng mga Japanese bilingual dito sa Philippines, it ranges from 60,000 up to 150,000 depending on experience and your qualifications po. So, ayun. And also po, for the last question to confirm, after you pass the JLPT N4 po, so magja-Japan ka po or dito na lang sa Philippines or open to both?
Open to both po.
So, understand. Thank you so much, Sir Jonathan.
Pero siguro mas pipiling ko sa Japan.
Understand po, understand. And also, sir, to give you some informations on JK Network Services po, meron po kami mga in-offer na job opening. So, instead na you directly apply for the companies na nag-hire ng mga Japanese bilingual, we will do it on your behalf po. And our service is free. Yes po. So, you can contact us in all social media platforms. We do also have a website po. And also to connect with us, we will be giving you our flyers po. And it's for free, sir. So, anytime you can contact us po.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, yun lang po, sir. Thank you so much po. Yun, sir, good morning. I am Megumi from JK Network Services. So, ano pong pangalan natin, sir?
Benedict po.
Sir Benedict, ano pong JLPT level yung iti-take nyo ngayon?
Entry po.
So, understand, entry. So, bakit po kayo magti-take ngayon ng JLPT?
Required po ng employer namin prior to our deployment sa Japan po.
Understand. So, paano naman kayo natuto mag-Japanese?
Wala, doon papasok lang ako sa Japanese na language center na.
Understand Language Center. So, gaano po kayo katagal na nag-aaral na ng Japanese?
Mag-8 months po.
Understand, 8 months. So, why did you choose naman po yung Japanese language? Kasi marami naman po tayong mga foreign languages like Korean, Spanish, and in demand din siya sa market.
Siguro maliban sa kailangan namin siya sa work, interesting kasi siya. Astig siyang pakinggan.
Ay, understand. So, may idea ka naman po ba, sir, sa kung magkano po yung salary ng isang Japanese bilingual?
Ay, wala.
Understand. So, to let you know, sir, yung salary ng Japanese bilingual, it ranges from 60,000 up to 150,000. It depends on the qualification as well as dun sa kung anong nire-require ng job. So, for the last question, sir, since I know na kailangan mo pang pumila doon. So, last question, sir, may plan ka po ba to go in Japan or you're looking for a job here in the Philippines as Japanese bilingual?
Siguro yung plan kasi next year, kasi sa engineering, mga civil engineer. So, plan namin maging bilingual in a sense of sa na marunong kami mag-Japanese, pero sa construction industry and then sa Japan-based.
Understand. Thank you so much po. Yun lang po, Fernand.
Thank you.
Ayun po, good morning. Ako po si Megumi from JK Network Services. So, ano pong pangalan natin, ma'am?
Dana,
Ay, hi, Miss Dana. So, Miss Dana, ano po yung level na ititake nyo ngayon JLP?
N1.
Wow! Ang galing N1. So, ano po yung reason nyo ba't po kayo magtitake ng N1 ngayon?
Wala lang.
Ay, for upgrade po. For
Upgrade lang.
Understand. And, paano po kayo natutong mag-Japanese, ma'am?
Doon ako kasi nag-aral. Raised. Hindi naman ako born doon, pero raised there.
In Japan?
Oo.
I understand. Okay po. And, so, understand po. So, why did you choose naman po yung Japanese? Talagang stick lang po kayo to Japanese kasi di ba po meron pa tayong mga foreign languages like Korean, ganun. So, bakit po pinakang nakakapag-interest sa inyo is Japanese language?
Nandiyan na eh.
Understand. Yes po. I agree. I totally agree. Yes po.
So, if ever naman merong other chances na makapag-aral ng ibang languages, why not naman?
Yes
Pero
po.
as of now, syempre, gusto mo lang din patunayan sa sarili mo na, yun na, ito na yung attained level mo, then pwede ka na mag-move sa susunod
Yes
na
po,
step.
I totally agree. So, meron naman po ba kayong idea kung magkano po yung salary ng isang Japanese bilingual dito po sa Philippines? So, magkano po yung parang idea nyo kung magkano yung salary range natin?
6 digit.
Understand. Yes po, I totally understand. Kasi it depends in the qualification experience and the salary can range up to 150,000 po, di ba? Yes po. And for the last question naman po, ma'am. May plan ka po ba to go in Japan after passing the JLPT N1 or dito ka po sa Philippines?
No, dito na lang ako sa Pilipinas. Kasi doon ako lumaki. So,
Apo.
dito na muna ako.
Yes po, and there are so many opportunities naman po
Other
ng merit.
countries. So,
Yes po.
bukod sa Japan.
Yes po, I understand. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yun lang po yung question ko.
Thank you.
Thank you po. So, ayun sir, good morning po. Ako po si Megumi from JK Network Services. So, ano pong pangalan natin, sir?
Jim,
Hi, hello Sir Jim. Sir Jim, ano pong level yung ititake nyo ngayon?
entry ngayon.
Wow, entry. So, bakit po kayo magtitake ng JLPT, Sir Jim?
For Japanese jobs po.
So, looking po ba kayo dito in the Philippines? Open kayo, sir. So, understand. So, gaano po kayo katagal nag-aral ng Japanese?
Siguro mga 6 months to 1 year siguro.
Understand, matagal na rin, sir. So, paano po kayo natuto mag-Japanese naman?
Galing din ako ng Japan. Oo. 3 years din. Nag-trainee ako ng Japan. Tapos pagbalik ko, saka ako nag-entry naman. Kasi N5 ako nung umalis eh.
Understand. Understand po, sir. And bakit naman po Japanese language yung napili ninyo? Kasi marami naman po tayong mga foreign languages like Korean, Spanish, ganun po.
Bukod sa mataas ang salary, hilig ko talaga sa Japanese talaga. Oo. Pati yung culture nila kasi trip ko talaga. Oo.
I agree po, sir. So, sir, meron naman po ba kayong idea kung magkano po nag-range yung salary ng isang Japanese bilingual?
As of now, siguro mga 30 to 60, mga gano'n lang siguro idea ko.
So, sir, to let you know lang din po, yung salary range ng Japanese bilingual here in the Philippines, you can earn from 60,000 up to 150,000 depending on the qualification and kung ano yung nire-require ng job po. So, ayun, sir. For the last question, sir. So, after passing or taking the JLPT today, may plan ka po ba to go in Japan or dito lang po kayo sa Philippines maghahanap ng work as a Japanese bilingual?
Siguro dito muna. kasi wala pa akong nahabubong idea papuntang Japan.
Just to understand. And there are so many opportunities naman po dito sa Philippines without going in Japan naman po dito. Thank you so much po, Sir Jim, for your time.
Thank you.
Po, ako po si Megumi from JK Network Services. So, ano pong pangalan natin, sir?
Marjon Moore po.
Good morning, sir. And, sir, ano pong level yung ititake nyo ngayon?
N2 po, N2.
Wow. N2, sir. Understand. So, bakit po kayo magtitake ng JLPT N2 ngayon?
For career development po in terms of Japanese bilingual
For upgrade.
or upgrade po.
So, sir, tanong ko lang din po, paano po kayo natuto mag-Japanese?
Sa ano po, unang-una po sa YouTube, yun po, sa Facebook, tapos sa mga libro rin po, tapos sa mga novels, mga Japanese anime ganun.
So, technically, sir, parang self-study po kayo.
Self-study.
So, gaano po kayo katagal nagsa-self-study?
Usually po, nag-start po ako ng mag-aral ng Japanese 2022. Pero ano po siya, for N5. Then after N5 po, di na po ako nag-N4, rekta N3. Tapos ngayon po N2, yung tinitake ko po ngayon.
Wow, that's good po. And sir, tanong ko na lang din po, why did you choose naman po yung Japanese language? Kasi marami naman po tayong mga foreign languages tulad ng Korean, Spanish, and so on po. So bakit po Japanese language yung napili ninyo na aralin?
Unang-una po flexible. Tapos marami pong opportunities hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, pati rin po sa Japan. Lalo po yung mga yellow collar na work.
Yes,
Ano rin po ako, bali dati po, noong 2017, I was rin po, Spanish representative. Bali, second na siya na inaaral ko ng bilingual. Nag-try din po pala ako mag-aral ng Korean. Ano naman po yun, sa POEA. So, matagal yung process din yun po kasi ito. Kaya yun, mas priority ko po ngayon yung Japan kasi mas marami pong opportunity sa work
understand,
sa Japan.
sir. So, parang technically, hindi ka na bilingual, multilingual speaker ka na, sir. So, yun po, sir. May idea ka naman po ba kung magkano yung salary ng isang Japanese bilingual dito sa Philippines?
Nag-ranging po siya from 50, 60 to 100. Depende po sa sa experience, sa JLPT level. Para po sa experience ko po, kasi as of now, work po ako freelance. So, Japanese freelancer. So, tapos, yun, nag-ano rin pa ako rin pa ako sa Spanish din. So, mostly freelance po sa ngayon.
Understand. I agree, sir. Kasi to let you know lang din po, yung range na salary ng Japanese bilingual dito sa Philippines without going in Japan, it can range from 60,000 to 150,000 depending dun sa experience and qualification and also kung anong nire-require ng job. So, possible po yun up to 150,000 yung salary ng isang Japanese bilingual. So, for last question na lang po, sir, ask ko lang din po, may plan po ba kayo to go in Japan after taking the JLPT or dito na lang po kayo sa Philippines maghahanap ng work?
May plan po na mag-work po sa Japan after po na makapasa ng N2 or after po ako sa N2 tas probably po yung N1 doon ko na po i-take sa Japan.
Understand. And yun lang po, sir, yung questions ko for now. Thank you so much. So, ayun, sir, good morning. I am Megumi from JK Network Services. So, ano po pangalan natin, sir?
Ang pangalan ko po ay si Lawrence Torres. But you can call me Yensan.
Understand. So, yan, sir. Ano pong level yung ititake nyo today?
N2 level po.
Wow, N2. So, sir, may I know bakit kayo magtitake ng JLPT N2?
For work purposes or job para po sa trabaho ko. Yeah.
So, paano po kayo natutong mag-Japanese?
Natutong mag-Japanese actually, hindi naman din ako binig manood ng anime, pero siguro parang napilitan. Napilitan mag-aral ng Japanese kasi kailangan Like, tsaka Japan din kasi is one of my dream countries. Kaya feeling ko kaya ko naman.
I understand.
akong Japanese.
I understand. I agree. Yes, so, and sir, gaano kayo katagal nagtuto mag-aral ng Japanese?
Sige, let's say N4 to N3 is around like 1 year and then 1 year and a half siguro yung N2, mga ganun.
Okay. And sir, bakit naman Japanese language yung nakapag-interest sa inyo? Since marami naman mga foreign languages like
Foreign
Korean,
language.
ganyan.
Okay. Kasi meron akong meron akong cousin na half Japanese and half Filipino, and gusto ko rin kasi like gusto ko siyang makausap ng dire-diretso ganun. Then feeling ko win-win situation siya kasi
Yes.
marunong ako mag-Japanese tapos kaya ko siyang kausapin.
Yes. And also po, sir, may idea ba kayo kung magkano yung salary range ng isang Japanese bilingual?
Japanese bilingual. To be honest, feeling ko mga nasa 80,000 pesos or 60 to 80, something like that.
And to let you know lang, sir, yung salary range ng Japanese bilingual, usually it ranges from 60,000 up to 150,000, depending on the experience, qualification, and also what the job requires. So it really depends, but it can range at that amount. And for the last question, ano naman po yung plan nyo after? Are you going to Japan, or are you looking for work opportunities here lang in the Philippines?
Actually, I'm going to Japan like next year. Maybe around January or February. Ano lang siya, siguro pinapataas ko lang yung level ko para mas mataas yung salary, di ba?
Understand. So, however, ay open ka pa rin naman po sa mga opportunities here in the Philippines.
Yes, of course, open naman.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you po. Arigato.
Did you know that JLPT is a standardized criterion reference test used to assess and evaluate Japanese language competency for non-native speakers? It measures the language knowledge of every examiner in terms of their reading skill and listening ability. It takes place twice a year in July and December. Why do you encourage the applicants to take the JLPT?
So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the JLPT takers for today. And as for why we encourage the applicants or the takers to take the JLPT is because it will be your edge on applying in different bilingual position, such as for Japanese. And then a JLPT certificate will help you to be a more confident in applying in a bilingual position. Also, some companies and majority of companies, they require someone with JLPT certificate in applying to their current openings po. That's all.
What is the importance of taking JLPT?
The importance of taking JLPT is once you pass the examination, you can get a lot of job opportunities since we have clients that are requiring JLPT certificate. And also, you can apply to a lot of job opportunities and get a job as a Japanese bilingual speakers.
What positions are open for N1, N2, and N3?
For N1, N2, N3, we have openings for back office jobs like for interpreter, translator, HR, and admin. For finance and accounting, we have accounts payable, financial analyst, and for order to cash. For customer service, we have email and chat support and also team lead. For IT-related jobs, we have Java developer and software engineer, and many more.
How much is the salary offer for a Japanese bilingual here in the Philippines?
The salary offer for a Japanese bilingual here in the Philippines start with 50,000 to 250,000 depending on the level of fluency that you have and the years of experience.
Do Japanese jobs require the JLPT certificate?
Hindi naman siya require na magkaroon ng JLPT certificate, but good din naman kapag may JLPT certificate ka. However, some of the companies doesn't require JLPT certificate for the applicant. And then you can apply then as long as you can speak Japanese language.
Where are the locations available for Japanese job opportunities in the Philippines?
So majority of our openings is located within Metro Manila. So we have openings in Makati, Taguig, and Pasig. Of course, we have a major openings located in provinces such as Cebu, Subic, and Batangas.
Wow! How cool is that? Whether you're looking for a job in a BPO companies, work in technology, or start your career in a Japanese companies or global firm, we've got a role for you. And the best part? No need to step out your country. Opportunities are available here in the Philippines.